The mission and vision of Holcim is to build greener, smarter, end up having a circular environment with a net zero pledge.
We produce aggregates, ready-mix concrete, and we produce pipes. And we make sure that we've got the right recipe for the right products, bringing this material together.
EcoPact is a concrete which is really pushing the envelopes in terms of use of recycled materials.
Our products have a wide range of uses, from a single house to infrastructure projects.
Federally funded projects, state-funded projects, so the large infrastructure developers. The Inland Rail project utilised our Humes products, the box culverts, right through to a residential home builder. We use various supplementary cementitious materials. We use fly ash from the coal-fired power stations, and we use slag from the steel industry. And those alternate materials are actually waste byproducts from other industry, as well as some recycled raw materials in terms of rock and sand, but certainly even in terms of recycling water as well. EcoPact effectively reduces the carbon content. The reduction is somewhere between 30 and 60%.
The primary rule, though, is to make sure that ultimately the performance of our product is not compromised, so that whether you buy a pipe that is traditionally made or a pipe that you buy today, it will provide the same performance.
Back in 2019, we were the first to introduce EPDs, which are environmental product disclosure statements for our various ready-mix concretes, to really track and monitor the CO2 content in our end-use products. The perception around using recycled products was that it wasn't going to give you the same end properties as using virgin materials. In actual fact, by working with our clients, with our technical teams, we've proven and demonstrated that these products are no different and effectively perform just as well as virgin products, and in some cases even better. The reason we got into recycled materials is effectively, if we're not an avenue for reuse of products, they end up in landfill. We've got a lot of really passionate people across our business that feel really strongly about this.
Once the product is placed, it's in place. It's too late to actually reduce impact. So having this upfront positive impact through recycling, all through the use, so the design, how do we actually design better to use less material and less virgin material? And then how do we recycle better and reusing demolition waste back into the construction area?
The next phase of Holcim is really looking at expanding our recycling opportunities, looking at how we can reutilise as much of our own waste products as we currently have, but not just our products, looking at other industries, steel, coal, but also deconstructed buildings, so looking at demolition waste, and then looking further beyond as well. We're looking a little bit left of centre from what we would traditionally do, because we are looking at changing the way that built environment is being constructed, and we're seeing that by making a difference in terms of the end product, we can have a sustainable solution for the full life cycle of a structure, not just through the construction phase.